Hi, my name is Jill Malusky, and I manage public relations for the Green Bank Observatory. I am a first-generation college student. My father was a farmer and a blacksmith, and my mother stayed at home to take care of us, and she also worked in a cafeteria and in a deli. So I had to figure out how to get to college pretty much all by myself. I wish I had had more support from my school or my guidance counselor, but it was a very rural school and a small school. So I definitely had to figure out a lot as I went along. I got an undergraduate degree in film production, and I got a master's degree in social anthropology. I actually spent most of my career in museums and cultural nonprofits before I got into science communications with the Green Bank Observatory. Every day is different. I'm working with scientists and writers and reporters and people from all across the United States and all over the world. I think that my background helps me in making sure that our messages are hopefully clear, that people who maybe don't have a STEM education or a background in science can get excited about the research and the work that we're doing. And then also that I can support the scientific research of all the things that happen on the Green Bank telescope. So I photograph, I film, spend a lot of time with my colleagues. I get to take people up on the telescope. So it's an amazing job. I never thought I would have gotten here. Definitely growing up, wouldn't have realized how, I guess, my college career could take me to a place like this. So I would say that to people, first generation college students, don't be afraid to try. Don't be afraid to ask for help. That can be hard sometimes. Don't be afraid to reach out to others. You never know what someone's background is just by looking at them. So you might find that there's more people that share similarities with your experience than you realize if you just reach out and ask. So good luck, everybody who's going to college for the first time or pursuing a STEM career.